a DJI drone as a present. What? Let me tell you about it. My future can never be so bright. Oh my god. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. We are about to unbox it. Welcome back to the channel, friends. It's Phoenix. For those who are new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe if you like the content that you'll be receiving. I'm a full-time content creator, a South African, a foreign-born military spouse, as well as a traveler. So I share my adventures in traveling, my experiences as a military spouse, as well as lifestyle. Oh my god. Ooh, it comes with a bag. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Let's have a look. Ooh, this is so amazing. Let us check. This is a DJI. I got it from my husband as a birthday gift on top of the gifts that I had. And I'm so excited. Oh la la. Let's check it out. It's a drone, guys. It's a drone. Like I wished every princess out there has a prince. When you like ask God to give you a prince, you're like, oh my god. Let's open this bag. It's already packed, ready to go mingle with other drones. All right, this is over here. I think I got the controller. Everybody needs to see this. Oh my god. Yes, this is the controller. What else I have from this package? I have 3 batteries. Okay, these are the 3 batteries. It comes with 3 batteries. Yes. This is supposed to be to keep the batteries and be able to charge the batteries. This is for charging the batteries, and you can just take them in here. If you're under the age of 16 years old, you can't actually use this. Let's see the real deal. The mama, the daddy. Let's open it. Oh my god. Baby, come see our baby. It's so cute and portable. It's so tiny. Look at that. It's equivalent to my hand, guys. This is 249 grams. I thank my husband for this gift. Oh my god. Yes. I thank him so much. What else is in this bag? Well, what's really cool is that I didn't know it comes with a bag. That it was just in a box. And I have a bag for free, I guess. If they're gonna call it free. But I am so super amazed and excited by this. Yay, excited. Before I have to use it, I have to scan the QR code and then install the DJI Fly app. I need to watch the video for tutorials and stuff so that I can be able to know how to fly this. I wanted something where I can be able to try to capture the castles and go really high. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I need to take it up for a flight. My husband has already warned me and said, do not fly this to the ocean. Do not put it in water. And yeah, I got a warning already. But I'm so happy that I got this present. I am so happy. Ha ha ha.
Go up. Do a 360. Turn it, yep.
that's it on my side, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I really enjoyed unboxing this. And if you also have a drone at home, please let me know. Put down any comment below what you think, or if you have any questions about the drone itself. It's Phoenix Igqiyazana Elingumhambi Jikelele signing off. Bye.